Just let it fall, and your panels are set up, and you're done. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike, we're the Runaway Parents. Today we're going to take a look at, by far, my favorite, ZOUPW, however you want to call it. This is their new 480 watt bifacial folding solar panel. There's not a whole lot of folding solar panels that you can get me excited about. When Zoup sent these out to us, we have two of them. If you recall through our past videos, if you've watched them, we just got back from like a 4,000 mile trip out west. It was all dispersed camping, overland, off-grid camping. That's all we do. I used both of these panels. I had them in series on our camper for my ground deploy panels. I'm not playing, they're absolutely phenomenal. We had them on snow, we had them on just regular grass, desert. I can't express enough the output of these panels. This panel weighs 22.5 pounds, 480 watt panel. That is freaking incredible. I've got another panel here that's 400 watts. I think these go 45, almost 50 pounds. That's just a 400 watt folding panel. That is just crazy to deal with. I don't know why anybody would call them old-fashioned solar panels, the folding solar panels anymore. These just blow them completely out of the water. If you hear excitement in my voice about it, it's because I am thoroughly, absolutely, 100% impressed with what you get right here. They come in a really nice canvas bag to put your panels in. That's the handles to your panels, a shoulder strap that you can carry on your shoulder if need to carry them around. I mean, they are a little large, so you need to have room, a place to put it. You know, we carry them in our cargo trailer. Really nice bag. You got another handle here on the bottom. Open up the zipper here where you keep all your stuff. You got your MC4 extender, 8 to 10 feet long. And it's gonna also come with your ground stakes if you set it up in the wind, because I mean, it is super light. So the wind comes through, it's liable to blow it over. So you got ground stakes that it comes with. And you got your owner's manual there telling you all about them. And you're also going to come with a three-way connector, or a four-way, whatever you want to call it. You got your MC4s on one end, and then you got an XT60, you got an Anderson plug and a barrel connector. And you also got another attachment for a different size barrel connector on it that you can adapt to. Freaking great that it comes with all of that. And I really love the canvas bag, man, to protect it. I absolutely love it. So we're going to zip her down here. I'm kind of fighting the clouds here right now today. If my panels look used, because they're used, we actually use them. I've had them for about 2 months, and I've used the crap out of them. They are, I mean, I can't say enough good things about these panels. All right, so right here, you're gonna have nice leather straps to close it up. Just pull your leather straps out. I mean, the ease to set these up. What I do, I just set it up like that. Now, I just pull my legs out like that on each side. Pull my legs out, stretch it out a little bit, and just let it fall. And your panels are set up. It doesn't get any easier than that. All right, looking at the panel, you're gonna have your 16 bus bar design here. And if you look, where is it at? There is bypass diodes right here. If you look right here, that's your bypass diodes that are in it to help make it more shade tolerant. They are susceptible to scratching. I have noticed that because the wind did catch it and blow it over a few times. And we did get some scratches on it, which it's really not bad. It might have been on the other panel. I really can't see it on this panel. Just like any other folding solar panel, MC4 connectors. And one thing I do love, it has the pinch ends right here. Makes it super easy to disconnect and connect. I absolutely love that feature on a folding panel. So we'll connect them there. We have our Blue Eddy Elite 300 right here. We're gonna plug them into and see what we get. It is just super cloudy right now. I'm kind of fighting the clouds. So we're gonna try to get what we can get in between cloud cover. Like I said, you got your 3 different attachments here, your XT60, Anderson plug, barrel plug, and your barrel plug adapter. You pretty much it'll support all power stations. We'll show you guys what the open circuit voltage of our panels are. So you're looking at 48, 49, like this power station right here, 12 to 60 volt, 22 amps. You don't want to exceed that 60 volts. So we're at 50, so all we can do is one solar panel into here, configured this way. All right, so we got the Zoup 480s set up right here. And we also got what I call the old-fashioned way of doing it. These are the 50, 60 pound folding solar panels. We got them set up here. That's a 400 watt panel, and that's the Zoup 480 bifacial. So I've got it running in here we're going inside my laundry room right here, where we can see the screen on the power station. I got pretty good cloud cover right now. We're putting out 489 on the Zoop panel. I saw 520 a while ago. We'll try to catch it again. There we are, 490. So we've already reached the rate, what it's rated for, 490. And I'm telling you, 500 is not uncommon with these panels. I'm gonna unplug from the Zoop panels, and we're gonna plug up into these 400 watt panels. And let's just see what they bring in. 304, 307, 308. We're gonna settle around to 307, 305. So you're still not getting, you're only getting 75% production out of those panels. We have not even reached rated what these panels are rated for. And price-wise, you're pretty much still in the same ballpark. I mean, for me, it's a no-brainer on what panel you're gonna use. It's just the difficulty in setting these up and flimsiness and just the weight. I can't express enough how excited I am about these Zoop panels. So we're plugging those back in. 448, 456, 62. All right, we've already passed what they're rated for. We get something to cover and we'll do some partial shading and see how they perform. Let's just do half of one panel and we'll go see what we get. All right, we got half of one panel completely covered and we're still bringing in 393. That is incredible. Most panels, you cover half of a panel and you're darn near kill complete solar output. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll do this. How about this? We'll cover that much. We're still putting out 299, 300 watts. That is freaking incredible out of a folding solar panel. There's not a whole lot of things that I'll put my name behind, my reputation, but the performance for the last 2.5 months that I've been running these panels, I can absolutely stand behind these and you're definitely gonna get your money's worth. I don't know why anybody would waste their money on something like this anymore. I don't know what kind of witchcraft sorcery they got going on over there at Zoop, but these are magnificent. They're absolutely wonderful. Move these around, you just turn them, throw them out, and you're done. If you want to move these around, the legs go back in. You got to go back under, get all your straps, get everything lined up. I mean, I have fought it. I've been there. I've got plenty of these, and they're actually all for sale because I'm done with panels like this. They've always been overpriced for what you get, and they're super delicate. That's the way to go, guys. And we'll just go over it, putting them back up. They make life so much easier with the push-in tabs to take your panels apart. I love that. It makes life so much easier because if you've ever messed with these folding solar panels and you've had the bruised thumbs, trying to get your fingernails in there to squeeze the tabs in, I absolutely hate that. Putting them back up. Just as easy as that. Just as easy as that, y'all. Very nicely constructed. Pretty dang durable. Very durable panels. I've had them blow over multiple times when we were out in the desert. Got some scratches on them, but they perform flawlessly. So all that being said, here's some closing thoughts, y'all. I highly recommend 100% Zoup's 480 watt bifacial solar panels. Believe it or not, if you go on the website and you look, the 480s are actually lighter than their 450 watt panels. Don't know how they achieved it, but they did. I encourage you, if you're looking for a folding solar panel, something for ground deploy or your power stations, go check out Zoup's 480 watt bifacial panels. I'll leave a link in the description. And hopefully if they give me a coupon code, something for you to go check it out, save you a little bit of money, I'll leave that there as well. I believe they're running them on Amazon with a coupon where you can get them like 5 something for the folding panel, which is a crazy good deal. 480 watts. You will reach your rated output out of a folding solar panel, which is rare. But all that being said, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We got more to come. We'll see you on the next one.